Swinging door. When we play Melee, we are constantly following the movement of the characters. When we successfully hit our opponent, we think, I've chosen something right. And when we are hit, we think, I've chosen something wrong. When the game causes one character to be hit, it does not think of it as good or bad. It just happens. Good and bad are only creations of our mind. Sometimes you win neutral. Sometimes you lose neutral. Sometimes your opponent makes a mistake, and sometimes you do. It may help to think of this shift in balance as a swinging door. A moment ago, the wind was opening the door in one direction, and now the wind is opening the door in the opposite direction. While you may be able to influence the wind, it cannot be kept from pushing against you occasionally, so you should not be bothered by it. Sometimes, when we play Melee and we have lost neutral, we may think, I should not have done that. It would have been much better to do this other thing. The thing I did was not so good. In your mind, you create an idea of this choice as if it could be separated from the time it took place. But in reality, in every moment, you have to do something. Even standing idly is doing something. So we should not say, this is good or this is bad, in the ordinary sense of the words. If we say, this is bad, it will create some sort of confusion for you. You may think that because the action you did was bad, then you yourself are bad. However, this is not right. We are constantly forced to make decisions when we play, and in these moments, we are deciding what we think is best. So there is no choice. We must simply trust our future selves to have learned from our experiences. So always try to think of the flow of the game as a swinging door, and try not to consider your past actions as things that can be changed. The next time you encounter a similar situation, you will make the right choice.